Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Wonders of Morocco, a journey through its most amazing places. Morocco, a land of vibrant colors, ancient traditions, and breathtaking landscapes, is a tapestry of contrasts that captivates every traveler. Nestled at the crossroads of Africa and Europe, this North African jewel offers an enchanting blend of the old and the new, where bustling souks, majestic mountains, and endless dunes coexist. Let's embark on a mesmerizing journey through the wonders of Morocco, revealing its most amazing destinations, perfectly suited for a cinematic 4K travel video. 1. Marrakesh, the jewel of the South. Marrakesh, often referred to as the Red City, is a sensory feast. Its iconic red sandstone buildings glow under the North African sun, setting the stage for an unforgettable adventure. The heart of the city lies in Jemaa El Fnaa, a bustling square alive with snake charmers, storytellers, and food vendors, offering everything from sizzling kebabs to fresh orange juice. The city's architectural marvels, such as the Koutoubia Mosque, the Bahia Palace, and the serene Majorelle Garden, a haven designed by Yves Saint Laurent, contrast beautifully with its lively atmosphere. A panoramic 4K drone shot over Marrakesh reveals a city where tradition meets modernity in perfect harmony. 2. The Blue Pearl, Chefchaouen. Nestled in the Rif Mountains, the enchanting town of Chefchaouen is a photographer's paradise. Its blue-painted streets and walls create an otherworldly ambience, as though walking through the sky itself. The color blue, said to ward off evil spirits, dominates every corner, creating a tranquil atmosphere that feels almost dreamlike. Explore its charming alleys, small squares, and artisan shops selling woven blankets, leather goods, and ceramics. A 4K video capturing Chefchaouen at sunrise, as the morning light bathes the blue facades, is truly magical. 3. The Sahara Desert, endless golden dunes. No visit to Morocco is complete without a journey to the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert. The dunes of Erg Chebi, near Merzouga, stretch endlessly, their golden sands shifting with the wind. Camel treks at sunset, with the fiery sun descending into the horizon, create an almost surreal experience. A 4K drone shot of the desert showcases its immense scale, while nighttime captures the celestial beauty of the Milky Way overhead. Luxurious desert camps provide the perfect setting to enjoy traditional Berber music and hospitality under a star-studded sky. 4. Fez, the timeless city. Known as Morocco's cultural and spiritual capital, Fez is a city steeped in history. Its Medina, Fez El Bali, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the largest car-free urban zones in the world. The maze-like alleys lead to stunning landmarks such as the Al Qarawiyyin University, the oldest continuously operating university in the world, and the intricate mosaics of the Bou Anania Madrasa. For a truly immersive experience, a 4K walkthrough video of Fez captures the vibrancy of its tanneries, where leather is dyed using centuries-old techniques, providing a glimpse into the city's rich artisan heritage. 5. The Atlas Mountains, nature's majesty. The Atlas Mountains offer a dramatic contrast to Morocco's deserts and cities. These rugged peaks are a haven for trekkers and nature enthusiasts. Villages like Imli serve as gateways to Mount Toubkal, the highest peak in North Africa. Spring blankets the valleys in wildflowers, while winter cloaks the peaks in snow, making the Atlas Mountains a year-round destination. A 4K video capturing the seasonal changes, with cascading waterfalls and traditional Berber villages, underscores the region's ethereal beauty. 6. Essaouira, the Wind City. Located along Morocco's Atlantic coast, Essaouira is a charming seaside town with a laid-back vibe. Its whitewashed Medina, fortified walls, and bustling fishing harbor are reminiscent of a bygone era. The windswept beaches are a paradise for kite surfers, while the town's annual Noah World Music Festival attracts artists from around the globe. Capturing Essaouira's vibrant fishing boats, seagulls soaring over the ramparts, and golden sunsets over the ocean in 4K highlights its romantic allure. 7. Casablanca, a modern marvel. While Casablanca is Morocco's economic hub, it offers much more than bustling business districts. The Hassan II Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world, is an architectural masterpiece with intricate mosaics, marble columns, and a stunning seaside location. The city's blend of Art Deco and modern architecture provides a striking contrast to its historical landmarks, making it a great starting point for a Moroccan adventure. 8. Benhadou, a cinematic gem. This ancient fortified village, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, has served as the backdrop for numerous Hollywood films, from Gladiator to Game of Thrones. Located on the edge of the high Atlas Mountains, 8 Benhadou features mud brick casbahs that appear frozen in time. A sweeping 4K drone video of this stunning site, with its terraced dwellings glowing in the golden light of sunset, captures its cinematic grandeur. 9. Tangier, the gateway to Europe. At the northern tip of Morocco, where the Mediterranean meets the Atlantic, lies the cosmopolitan city of Tangier. With its historical Medina, the legendary Café Hafa, and the mythical caves of Hercules, Tangier is a city of intrigue and romance. 4K footage of the city's coastline, bustling port, and cultural landmarks underscores its role as a bridge between continents. Conclusion. Morocco's wonders are as diverse as its landscapes. From the sun-kissed dunes of the Sahara to the azure streets of Chefchaouen, from the historical depth of Fez to the serene coasts of Essaouira, this enchanting land offers an endless array of experiences. A 4K travel video capturing Morocco's essence would serve as a love letter to a country where every moment feels cinematic. Whether you are seeking adventure, history, or serenity, Morocco promises memories that linger long after the journey ends. Thanks for watching this video.